This is the strawberry flavored sweet jello. I prepared it as per instruction, comes with the packet. Then this is the custard mixture. I added full cream liquid milk. Then I added 4 teaspoons of custard powder into it. Then I just heat it into the microwave until it becomes a bit creamy in consistency. So you can make it on your stove top. Just one big banana. It's not the frozen banana, cashew nuts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this kind of container, plastic container, and I also have this tiny one. Using this type of tablespoon, I have taken here 8 tablespoons of mix, and then I will just add some banana. Just add in this way, like unevenly. Just cut the jello in this way using a knife. 4 jello here, not that too much. Custard again, just like this. 3 tablespoons, just to cover it. Okay, then I'm putting this like don't worry if you just break the blocks when you're adding it. Don't worry. Okay, just like this. We'll just layer few bananas. Okay, just 3. After adding it, now I will pour some custard powder again. Just 2 tablespoons drizzle. Okay. It's float, I said, so I have to make it in a floating way. For that, now I'm going to add more jello blocks. Okay, this way. And no more banana. I really don't want to add any more banana. I just want to get the jello flavor, strawberry jello flavor. If you want, you can also use the mango flavor. Then I'm drizzling some custard liquid like this. Okay, now it's time to add some cashews. If you don't want to add the cashew, that's fine, but I like nuts. If you're allergic to any nuts or like cashew nuts, keep it. Okay, so all done. And this one I showed you. This one is only with banana and custard milk, and this one is only with jello floats and the custard milk. So you can freeze it for a few minutes or a couple of minutes, then you can just serve it cold. You have a nice dessert weekend.